Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Learn Korean. Today, I'm going to talk you through the differences between two similar words, 좋다 and 좋아하다, 싫다 and 싫어하다. Both are usually translated as I like or dislike someone or something. But actually, they are slightly different. I'm going to explain the differences and show you when to use these two important Korean words correctly. 피터 좋아. 피터 좋아해. 피터 싫어. 피터 싫어해. Which one do you think can be used? Yes, they both can be used. What about this? 여름 좋아. 여름 좋아해. 여름 싫어. 여름 싫어해. Which one do you think can be used? Yes, they both can be used again. But it doesn't mean they are the same. The meanings are slightly different and the grammar rules are also different. The most important thing to remember is 좋다 and 싫다 are used as adjectives. 좋아하다 and 싫어하다 are used as verbs. This makes all different. How? I'll explain. 좋다 and 싫다 are adjectives, which means the main focus is not about whether you like or dislike someone or something. It's about whether or not someone or something is good or satisfactory enough for you to like or dislike. 피터 좋아. 피터 싫어. 여름 좋아. 여름 싫어. What's the main focus? Yes, it's about Peter and Summer. They are the subjects of the sentences. That's why there are 이 and 가, which are the subject markers. But 이 and 가 are often not mentioned in informal context. 피터가 좋아 means, in my opinion, Peter is a good guy. Therefore, I like him. Or I'm satisfied with him. 피터가 싫어 means, in my opinion, Peter is not a good guy. Therefore, I don't like him. Or I'm dissatisfied with him. 여름이 좋아 means, in my opinion, summer is the perfect season for outdoor activities. Therefore, I like summer. Or I'm satisfied with it. 여름이 싫어 means, in my opinion, summer is too hot. Therefore, I don't like it. Or I'm dissatisfied with it. You choose to like or dislike based on how good or satisfactory someone or something is. That's why 좋다 and 싫다 are mostly used when you talk about instant thoughts and feelings. 어떤 게 마음에 들어? 이거 좋아. 이거 싫어. 검은색 어때? 검은색 좋아. 검은색 싫어. Don't forget two things. First, 좋다 and 싫다 are only used with I or you. 나, 내, 저, 제. In statement sentence and question sentence. 너, 당신, or anything refers to you in question sentence. 나 피터 좋아. 나 피터 싫어. 너 피터 좋아? 너 피터 싫어? You cannot use 좋다 and 싫다 when you talk about whether someone else likes or dislikes. For example, never say 메리 피터 좋아. 메리 피터 싫어. Second, 좋다 is also used as the opposite word of 나쁘다. In this case, 좋다 simply means something is good. 오늘 기분 좋아. It's very clear that the message is that my feeling is good. But sometimes it's confusing if the message is about whether something is good or the speaker likes something. For example, 그 생각 좋아. It can mean the idea is good, so the speaker likes it. It can also mean the idea is simply good, but it doesn't necessarily mean the speaker likes it. Unfortunately, you should distinguish them based on context or ask the speaker to clarify if needed. 좋아하다 and 싫어하다 are verbs because they are the combinations of 좋다, 하다. 싫다, 하다. 하다 turns an adjective into a verb, which means the main focus is about whether you like or dislike someone or something. It doesn't matter how good or bad someone or something is. 피터 좋아해. 피터 싫어해. 여름 좋아해. 여름 싫어해. What's the main focus? Yes, it's about you. You like Peter and summer. You don't like Peter and summer. Peter and summer are the objects of the sentences. That's why there are 을 and 늘, which are the object markers. But 을 and 를 are often not mentioned in informal context. 피터를 좋아해 means I like Peter. It's simply my own feelings in general. Whether Peter is a good guy is not important. 피터를 싫어해 means I don't like Peter. It's simply my own feelings in general. Whether Peter is a bad guy is not important. 여름을 좋아해 means I like summer. It's simply my own feelings in general. Whether summer is a good season is not important. 여름을 싫어해 means I don't like summer. It's simply my own feelings in general. Whether summer is a bad season is not important. You simply express your own feelings about someone or something. That's why 좋아하다 and 싫어하다 are mostly used when you talk about thoughts and feelings in general. 등산 좋아해? 응, 등산 좋아해. 아니, 등산 싫어해. 맥주 좋아해? 맥주 좋아해? 응, 맥주 좋아해. 응, 공포영화 좋아해. 차가워서 싫어. 혼자 가기 싫어. 아니, 여행 싫어해. 나 지금 말하기 싫어. I'm afraid our time's up. But remember, there are more quiz questions on Patreon and subscribe to the channel for more useful lessons. Join me again next time. Bye for now.